Welcome to this gorgeous Craftsman-style home with views of Mount Hood in a highly sought-after West Linn neighborhood. Heading inside, you'll discover a masterfully crafted interior with architectural details throughout. The main living area offers open-concept living that includes built-ins, large windows, and box beam ceilings. The gourmet kitchen features slab granite, top-of-the-line appliances, and a cooktop island. Double doors lead to the oversized office with abundant natural light and beautiful views. On the upper level, you can escape to your private master suite with a well-appointed master bath. It has access to its own private patio and mountain views. Also on this upper level, an enormous bonus room ready to become a favorite place for family and friends. With nearly 3,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms including a guest suite, and 3.5 baths, there's plenty of space for everyone. The fully fenced backyard is beautifully landscaped with a large patio and deck. And you'll find plenty of space in the 3-car tandem garage. A gorgeous home in a sought-after neighborhood. It's all here waiting for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Joelle Lewis with Premier Property Group at 503-407-8586.